What is up? In this video, we need to understand how is the 5 elements works in accordance with the oracle system. This is the time we need to make the 5 elements expand into 12 earthly branches. If you've not yet watched my video regarding 5 elements, please watch them here. The branches not only has a generating and restriction function, it also has other interaction within the branches. This is how we could elaborate the prediction in a much detailed way. All of the Chinese metaphysics that involve earthly branches are having the same terms of interaction. For instance, the clash in Feng Shui, 八字, or even Chinese medicine or divination system, they're all having a similar meaning. There are a total of 6 types of interaction between the branches, but for the King Wen Oracle system, the interaction between the branches that will be used are only clashes, combination, and punishment. With all of this interaction and the 5 element cycle, it has strongly reflected all the complicated circumstances surrounding us. When we said earthly branches, it also comes with heavenly stems. The original design is to take the heaven or the sky as the stem, which represent as the backbone structure to the universe. Then the stems from the heaven will extend into branches. These branches will be represented by the earth. Don't stress out yourself if you can't really catch up with me at this point. You will understand more when you're getting deeper with me. Stems and branches not only reflecting the human interaction, but it is also the kind of ancient Chinese calendar system. It was originally to be invented as the purpose of the calendar. During the Yellow Emperor period, people have no idea about the day or the month yet. This means that they need to get a calendar system. This makes the people during the time getting harder to do something or having an appointment at a specific time. It also indicates that the people during the Yellow Emperor period can never complete a medium-term planning. The Yellow Emperor ends up assigning a guy called Da Nao to think a way on how to make a calendar. I have made a video regarding how is these stems and branches being created in a Chinese version video. Feel free to have a look over here. Generally, Da Nao invented the stems and the branches according to the movement of the stars from the planet. According to the chapter of the Truth from the Golden Chamber in the Yellow Emperor canon, it has talked about the stars or the planets. In the east, it is green color with the planet Jupiter. In the south is the red with the Mars. Center of the Saturn with the yellow color. Metal color is in the west with the Venus, and the North Star with the planet Mercury and is a black color. These 5 stars move with the sun just like how the planet Earth is. This is the basic way of Da Nao observing the stars' movement and the yin and yang diversifying. In the end, Da Nao concludes this with the 10 heavenly stems: Jia Yi wood in the east, Bing Ding fire in the south, Wu Ji earth in the center, Geng Xing metal in the west, Ren Kui water in the north. Ecliptic is referring to the earth that orbiting the sun. When it completed an orbit, it had passed 1 year, which is also 360 degrees. The path of orbiting are not equally even. That makes the sun sometimes close to the south and sometimes close to the north. The airspace between the sun and the earth reflecting the temperatures and the seasons. When the seasons are different, it will affect to the growth of anything on the earth. So in order to precisely recording the proper time with the proper crops, they split the 360 degrees orbiting into 24 parts. Each part equal to 15 degree angles, and it also come out the 24 solar terms calendar. Solar term calendar is a must-learn subject in Chinese metaphysics, especially when you wanted to know when is your fate is coming in or going away. Always remember, a prediction without knowing the happening time is a useless prediction. Let's have a look at this table. You can download it from my website. The link is at the description area below. For the 24 solar term calendar system, there is 1 major and 1 minor solar term in each of the 12 months period. When you see the month here, it doesn't bring you to the Gregorian or lunar calendar. It always refers to the solar terms month, which means the 11th here is not November, but in fact, it is about 7th of December to 5th of January. There is no fixed date for the month period, and it always changes according to the sun and the earth movement. This is why sometimes you may see the month of the 11th starts from the 8th of December and ended on the 6th of January. We could also apply the earthly branches to the hour as well, but during the ancient time, it is a double hour system, which is 120 minutes per unit. This makes up 12 double hours in a day. The first double hour starts from Zhi hour. It started at 11 p.m. and ended at 1 a.m. As the earthly branches are expansion version from the yin and yang, this makes all the branches will inherit the yin and yang property as showing here. Like this, yin and mao are referring to the wood element. Yin is yang wood and mao is yin wood. I will not be wasting the time here repeating the rest. Download the sheet from my website as the link is provided down below. If you wanted to learn divination skills, you need to understand how is this table work. Always remember, don't hard-code yourself anything from here. You will eventually forget all of it if you try hard to memorize all of them. During the ancient time, Tanao designed a calendar that needed to have a combination with the stems and the branches. When 10 stems multiplied by 12 branches, it shall have 120 groups of combination. But in the calendar system design, it only has half of the combination, which is only 60 groups. This is because Tanao designed it with yang stem matched only with yang branches, and yin stems can only be matched to yin branches. For example, Jia wood is yang. For the 12 branches, there are only 6 yang branches, which is the Zi, Yin, Chen, Fu, Shen, Xu. The rest will be yin branches. So, Jia can only end up with Jia Zi, Jia Yin, Jia Chen, Jia Wu, Jia Shen, Jia Xu. This applies the same to the rest as well. These 60 groups of them are called sexagenary cycle. In Mandarin is 60花甲. It can be used to record the year, the month, the day, and the time. It will keep repeating after the 60. So comment down below if you have anything you wanted to know, or else please give me a thumbs up and share out my video. I'll see you in the next video.